Hello dear Capricorn, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. In this video, I am going to read your cards for the month of June 2021. Okay. So before I begin my reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that, Capricorns. And I hope you all are having a good time, a safe time in this pandemic. So, yeah, angels and spirit guides, please guide Capricorn for the month of June 2021. Please guide Capricorn for the month of June 2021. So I'm going to take out 3 cards for you, Capricorn, and read them for you. So we have got let me take out 3. Okay. 3 cards for Capricorn. Here we go. First, star. Wonderful. Now, 2 of Pentacles. And then we have the third one coming up here, Devil. Alright. Then we have Hermit at the bottom. But I would like to clarify this Devil card also once. Please clarify Devil. Please, spirits and guides, please clarify Devil for Capricorn. Yeah. So here we are. Empress. Okay. So it's a Capricorn energy. So Capricorn, dear Capricorns, the card says that there is a hope, there is a kind of positive energy coming your way, which will help you in solving many of your issues, many of your pending things. You can overcome any hurdles in your life, I mean anything that you are going through, any kind of backlogs also. So there is a positive energy coming this month for you, dear Capricorn, which will help you, which will guide you also, which will protect you also. So the card says that you need not have to lose hope and just be positive. And you can use this energy for your betterment. And then we have 2 of Pentacles as well here. Right, Capricorns, I'm saying what I feel here is like kind of you are juggling yourself, you are not able to understand, or you are just shuffling yourself from between home and office, or work and family kind balance, or trying to maintain the balance in that personal life and professional life. Okay, so this is what I am seeing here. Or probably you have got 2 offers also. I guess most of the Capricorns may be having 2 job offers, or 2, not exactly job, or yes, but 2 career paths again. So because with this hope, you are provided with different options from the universe, and then you have you are not able to make proper, you're not, you still not able to reach to the conclusion. You still not able to reach to the decision here कि which path should you choose, or which job you should go for, or not able to maintain the balance again. So this is what I'm finding here with you, Capricorn. So yeah, I think it's kind of a good energy again, because you have got no people, many people don't even have one thing. Now you have got the option, but I'm also seeing that you will be able to make a better choice of it as well. Capricorns are really intelligent, and yeah, they um, definitely, you will be able to make the things, no make proper things out of it. So need not to worry, but yes, you will be having many most of the time your mind will be occupied with these kind of thoughts, right? What to take, what not to take, what to take and what to leave, right? So this is kind of energy what I'm feeling around you this month, dear Capricorn. Again, we have Devil card, which is clarified by Empress, and this is giving me a very clear very clear vibes that probably this hope and this kind of positive energy may end you with no in a comfort zone. You see, there may be a possibility that you feel yourself stuck up in a comfort zone, or you may find you may not realize also, but yes, you may be acting from your comfort zone, which may not allow you to prosper, which may not allow you to grow, and or look things beyond your no beyond your comfort zone, the solutions beyond your comfort zone also. So this can be the possibility that you may not be able to act as required, because you are in your comfort zone now, and you feel yes, this is the best thing what you have, but this is not right exactly. Yeah, you Capricorn, that is what you will realize over a period of time. But it would be better if you just keep this in your mind, what I'm saying now, ki yes, you shouldn't be acting being safe and all. You should be proactive also, and you should think that yes, you have you have an unlimited horizon. Okay, so don't think that yes, whatever you have now, whatever the decision you have made, or whatever the um, uh, um, how should I say, yeah, whatever the offers that you have now in your hand is what is good for you. Probably the universe is saying here that you have better things, you have much better things, you may have much better opportunities also. So think beyond your limitations, try to grow beyond your limitations, because this is the month where I am seeing that yeah, you will be performing no under if this is your expectation, I mean, if this is your skill criteria, this is your capacity, then you will be performing under this. Okay, because you don't want to you are not feeling anything. There is a wall here, and you are not able to feel anything outside this, outside of the scope, but there is a wide opportunity, there is a wide so many opportunities lying outside, which you are not concentrating on it. So dear Capricorns, just focus on these things. This is what I have to say for you now this month. Yeah, so let's pick up your um, message from the universe also. I request universe to please guide you with a really good message for the month of June 2021. So dear universe, oh my god, so many cards are popping out for you. Please guide Capricorn for the month of June 2021. Capricorns, please guide universe, please guide Capricorns for the month of June 2021. Here goes my last shuffle. Okay, so I'm going to pull out one card. Here is the message for you, dear Capricorn. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. So that's a message that's really a very in-depth message for you, Capricorn, from the universe. Okay, it's a wonderful message again, I should say. Okay, Capricorn, so with this I wind up my reading, and I see you again in my next video. Till then, I wish you good luck. Keep rocking. Bye bye. Take care.